Hello everyone and welcome back to the lab. In this video I'll be purifying some ethanol by fractional distillation. I don't usually put a disclaimer in my videos, but there are some stupid people out there. Here is the apparatus. I'll go through it piece by piece. It starts with a heating mantle and a boiling flask. This is connected to a Vigru column, a 30 centimeter one, and it has a still head on top with a thermometer adapter. This is connected through two adapters to a very nice condenser, which goes through a vacuum takeoff adapter to a receiving flask. I started by adding my ethanol to the flask. This ethanol is impure. It contains methanol, water, as well as some high boiling impurities that make it smell foul. I then turned on heating and let the flask slowly warm up. You want to let the flask boil very gently, and have it go so slowly that it takes 10 to 15 minutes for the vapor to rise through the column. Eventually, the vapor made it to the top and started condensing on my thermocouple. Some forerun came over. This is mostly methanol, and it's about 20 milliliters in volume. Once the temperature stabilized at 77 Celsius, I switched out the receiver. I let it distill slowly at about 1 drop every 2 seconds. Eventually, it was late and I went to bed. After around 4 hours of distilling, the still head temperature started to drop, and I turned off heating. What's left in the flask is mostly water, and it boiled at 96 Celsius. I then added 60 grams of 3A molecular sieves to the ethanol. This will remove virtually all of the water. I let it sit here for around 24 hours. Everything was then filtered into a storage bottle. In the bottom of the bottle there's about 20 grams of 3A sieves that are dry. The product is relatively pure and dry ethanol, ready for lab use.